subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Measurement of time. Less time, more time. Children, now I will explain you about time. Some things take more time and some things take less time. Now in this picture, can you see a person riding a bicycle, a train moving, and an aeroplane flying? Can you guess which of them will take lesser time? Yes, since the plane is the fastest, it will take less time to reach its destination. Now the train will take more time as compared to the aeroplane, whereas the person riding bicycle will take more time as compared to the train, since bicycle is the slowest among the three. Alright. Now in the empty boxes, put a tick for more time and a cross for less time. In this picture, our little swimmer is trying to swim, and two of the people are sitting in a boat. That too, I guess, is a speedboat. So, can you tell me which of them will take more time to reach their destination? Yes, our little sweet swimmer will take more time. So, put a tick for that. And the speedboat will take less time. So, put a cross for that. Now, can you see two taps trying to fill a mug and a bucket? Which of them will take more time and which of them will take less time? Since mug is smaller, so it will be filled faster, which means it will take less time, so put a cross to that. And the bucket is bigger in size, so it will take more time. So put a tick for that. Before, after. Use numbers to show the order of the actions. Now can you see 5 pictures? I think first the tailor will take the cloth and make the markings with the help of a measurement tape. Do you agree with me? Well, then let us mark 1 for this picture. Then with the help of a pair of scissors, she will cut the cloth. So let us mark it as 2. Now with the help of sewing machine, she will sew the shirt. Let's mark it as 3. Well, now she will stitch the buttons with the help of a needle and thread. So this picture will be number 4. Hey, Rohan is ready to wear the shirt, and look, he's so happy. Let's mark it as 5. Here comes another set of pictures. Do you want to eat roti? Well, first your mama will knead the dough. So let us mark it as 1. Now with the help of a rolling pin and a chakla, she will make a round chapati. So let us put it as 2. Now with the help of a gas stove, she'll make the chapati ready. That will be number 3. Now she will serve the chapati in the plate, which will be number 4, and it is ready for you to eat, which is the 5th picture. So mark it as 5. Hey, enjoy your hot chapatis. Days of the week. What's the day today? Oh, what's the day today? Why, it's a Monday today. it's a Monday today. I will climb the mountain all the way. It's Tuesday today, it's Tuesday today. I'll make a garland if I may. It's Wednesday today, it's Wednesday today. The big bird flies a long way away. It's Thursday today, it's Thursday today. The breeze may blow, yes it may. It's Friday today, it's Friday today. Oh, I've had a lovely day. It's Saturday today, it's Saturday today. It's a sunny day, a sunny day. It's a Sunday today, it's a Sunday today. The week has just 7 days for us to work and play, for us to work and play. But it comes around again and again, day after day, day after day, day after day, day after day. Today, it's Friday. Yesterday, it was Thursday. Tomorrow, it will be Saturday. Yesterday, it was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow, it will be Wednesday. Write the name of the day of the week in the empty box. Today, it's Saturday. What day will be tomorrow? You're right. After Saturday comes Sunday. So we'll write Sunday in the box. Yesterday was Wednesday. What day is today? Well, after Wednesday, Thursday comes. So write Thursday in the box. Tomorrow is Friday. What was the day yesterday? Well, before Thursday, you are right. There was Wednesday. So write Wednesday in the box. It was Monday yesterday. What's the day tomorrow? Now, it was Monday yesterday, which means it is Tuesday today. So tomorrow it will be, you are correct, Wednesday.